Sigahan Festival invites everyone to experience Guimaras at its fullest and its endless possibilities.
All roads lead to Guimaras. Ang makitaan sa inyo mga nawong nga mga taga Guimaras among nagapatamis sang aton nga probinsya. Nagapatamis ang aton kabuhi kag nagapatamis ang aton pag-amuma sa aton mga bisita.
For many years, we proudly carry the title of the sweetest mango capital, a distinction earned through our world-renowned sweetest mangoes, a symbol of our pride, abundance, and the identity of our beloved Guimaras. But now, we boldly declare, we are a lot more.
This celebration is more than just a commemoration of history and culture. It is a celebration of the progress, resilience, and unity of the people of Guimaras.
This celebration belongs to all of us. Let this be a reminder that our greatest strength is us. Not in what we produce, but in what we become when we are together.
Come on, let's go. Don't wait another minute. There's no better time for living. Let it show. Come on, let's go. All the moments we've been given, every breath a new beginning. Now we know every dream is still unfolding. Let it go. Feel the fire in your soul. Come on, let's go.
So with our brand, Mangoes and More, we tell the world that while our mangoes remain the heart of who we are, the story of Guimaras is far richer, deeper, and more fascinating. May this festival give you not only sweet memories, but meaningful connections and unforgettable experiences.
Salamat din ako sa halin sang una nga pagsuporta ninyo ag sa paghugpong ninyo kagin suportaran nyo man ang iyo nga isig kababaihan because we know nga kung mag-upod nato ni empower both women and youth, mas mabaskog ang atong pagpatigayon sa tanan.
kita ka probinsya, isa kita ka isla, isa ka magtamis nga gamay nga isla.
Gimaras, padayuno naton ang aton panglakaton, patulong sa mas masanag nga palaboton.